What up, YouTube? Hang on, let me close this door because now my son wants to turn up his video game. Turn off the Wi-Fi on him. Anyways, alright, got another final on the 2020 group build, Pro Street group build hosted by Dylan over at NYS Modeling. Always fun building these Pro Streets. I did the 67 Chevelle. Me and Dylan will usually build the same thing every year. Or that's been the trend since he started doing it. Yeah, not a bad build. This is not a bad kit. I did the muscle. I think it was the muscle cars or the muscle machines. The 67 Chevelle. Pro Street, and that car was a lot better than this one. So of course this is another massive turd. So anyways, let's take a look and see what it did here. Went with that's a Tamiya color. I tossed the can because I used it all on the car, but anyways, yeah, it turned out okay, pretty good. This wheelie bar keeps popping off for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. Yeah, it was. I liked it. Didn't care for the carbs on the kit. I was going to go with some resin carbs that I have, but I only have one left, and I don't have any Fireball resin carbs. I'm out. So we will have to order some more here when I get a chance. But I don't like my race cars shiny. This is different for me. I don't usually do a shiny paint job on my race cars. Let me stop it here. I just glued these mirrors on, so I don't want to knock them off, and I got my fingerprints off the roof. So we got the engine detailed. I didn't do any wiring on it. I was going to, and then I stepped away from it for a while for the 48-hour build and the Ming build, and was trying to get James's Mustang done. And so I didn't put as much as I wanted to in it. The kit was decent. It had the characteristics of a MPC kit, actually. Had quite a bit of flash on it, but it wasn't too bad. Fit was good. The only fit issue I really had was they want you to get the engine in with the headers on. Oh, let's show you underneath. There's underneath. They want you to fit the engine through that little opening right there, and then put the cross member down on the on top of the trans, or under the trans. Yeah, that was fun. I'm surprised I didn't break anything. Other than that, and the front, there's too much of a gap here. So you really got to tweak the fenders in to make the front end fit. Other than that, that was it. The whole thing went together well. Let me see to turn this off and get a shot inside a little bit. Nothing's fancy. I didn't even paint the boot on the knob on the shifter. So paint turned out decent. I'm not a shiny race car person. I believe race cars should be flat black, but we went flat black on the hood, so we're all good there. And that's about it. So again, Dylan, thanks for hosting this. Always fun doing it. We got this one done. Next, I got a mail call to do, and then that'll be it. So you guys have a good one, and we're out of here. Hope you like it.